Hello, this is Chris from EFX. Welcome to our setup tutorial for connecting your EFX frame to Amazon's Alexa. Having your EFX frame connected to Alexa enables voice control of your frame. You'll be able to verbally command your EFX frame to power on and off, change colors, run color functions, and more. To begin, make sure you have an EFX Cloud account and at least one paired EFX device. If you haven't already, download and install the Amazon Alexa app. Once completed, open it. Click on the hamburger icon in the top left corner and select Skills and Games. Click on the search icon and search Magic Home Wi-Fi. Once it appears, select the Magic Home icon. Click on Enable to Use. Enter your EFX User ID and password to sign in. After logging into the EFX Cloud, you should receive a message notifying you that you have successfully linked your EFX Cloud account with Amazon Alexa. Once successfully linked, the EFX devices and scenes will all be available for voice-controlled commands through your Amazon Alexa app and Alexa devices. Thank you for watching this setup tutorial. If you should have any further questions, please send us an email at info@efximagery.com.